Hey there, SuperCoder! Today, we're going to make a very cool animation in Scratch. We're going to make sprites form a perfect circle pattern. Sounds awesome, right? Alright, let's get started! First, we need a sprite. I'm going to draw a simple circle. And let's make it colorful so it looks fun. Ooh, that looks nice! Now it's coding time. Drag the block Create Clone of Myself. Click it once, and look, it made a duplicate. You can drag it to check. Cool! Now here's the plan. We want the clones to spread out and make a perfect circular shape around the center. To do that, we need Scratch to follow some math. Don't worry, I'll make it super easy. We're going to make 3 variables. Radius. This tells how big the circle will be. Count, how many clones we want. Angle. This helps us place each clone around the circle. Let's set them up. Take a When Green Flag Clicked block. Now set the variables. Drag the block Set Radius to 50. This will be the radius of our circle. Then set Count to 12. We can change this later. Drag the block Set Angle to 0. This is the angle between each sprite. Now here comes the fun math part. We know a circle has 360 degrees. So if we want 12 clones, we do 360 divided by 12 equals 30. So that means each clone will be 30 degrees apart. So now drag the block, change angle by, and place 360 divided by count inside of the block. That means every time we create a clone, the angle increases step by step, just like a clock ticking around. Next, we want this to repeat count times, right? So wrap everything in a repeat block, and how many times we need to repeat, of course, count times. So put it inside. Now what we need, that after the clone create, what is going to happen? For that, drag the block when the clone created. Now we can drag the block Go To. Now let's place each clone in the correct spot using a bit more math. For the X position we use radius times cosine of angle. For the Y position we use radius times sine of angle. Cosine tells you, how far right or left am I pointing? X direction. Sine tells you, how far up or down am I pointing? Y direction. For example, with the radius 100 and angle 30, cosine 30 will be 0.87, and sine 30 will be 0.50. We multiply the cosine 30 with the radius and sine 30 with the radius, so it will become 87 and 50. Like that, we will get all the XY position with increase in 30 degree each time, and position the clone accordingly. Then don't forget to add a show block, and also add a hide block at the very beginning. Now, let's test it out. See how the clones are sticking together? We can add some space between them by adjusting the radius. Let's change it to 100 and check again. Cool! Now we've got a perfect circle. You can also change the number of clones and try different values to experiment and create different patterns. And that's it, SuperCoder! See you in the next video with another fun project. Happy coding! Bye!